Hi everyone, it's Sandy. Thank you for joining me here on my channel. I have a 6x6 paper project for you and it's really simple to put together, and I called it a two pocket insert idea, and you can make this two ways, so you can choose which way you would like to make your two pocket insert. It was just a fun little project. I love making pockets. I don't know what it is about pockets, but pockets is one of the projects I love to make, and just to see what you can put inside a pocket sometimes amazes me, that you can really put quite a few things no matter how big or how small your pocket inserts are. And I think these would be great also to use as a floating pocket in your journal, or you can add it into your planner. You can punch a couple of holes here and then you can add your binder ring to it, and then you've got yourself a pocket flip to add into your journals or into your planner. So this one here is one way to make it. As you can see there, so there is a top pocket up here, and then there is a side pocket in the front here. So you could add some tags here, you could add a little note, you can just add whatever you like there. And then in the top it's a nice wide opening, so you can add some embellishments, a little booklet, whatever you like in here as well, some little package goodies. So this is one way with the side pocket in the front, and this is another one, side pocket and the top pocket. So the other way has the pocket on the top, and also has a nice large opening as well in here too, so you can see there. And the other pocket is at the back, so you have a side tuck pocket there. So I just thought worked out well. You can make two different styles, and you can also make 4 of these pockets with 1 12x12 paper as well. So that's another great thing with the 6x6 size. I've also put some of these pockets in my store or in my Etsy shop if you would like to purchase the ones that I've made using the papers that I've chosen. And they will be packaged with some twine, and you get a pack of 4, and you can choose if you would like one of each of the patterns. So these were the pattern papers you will get, and you can choose 4 with the side pocket, or you could choose 4 pockets with the back side pocket. Or if you would like a mixed pack, you'll get 2 side pockets at the back and 2 front pockets. I'll just bring this one here. You'll get 2 side pockets and 2 front side pockets, and there will be random prints, but it will be one of each of these prints. So you have 3 options to choose from if you would like to pick up a pack that I've put together. But let me just show you how easily it is you can make these. So I'll make them in the 2 ways. So we'll start with the one with the side back pocket, and then I'll make one with the front side pocket. So you will just need to grab your 6x6 paper, and let me grab, we'll use this one. We'll do the side back pocket first, and all you're going to do is you're going to place it on your scoreboard, and we are going to score at 2 3/4 inches. 2 3/4 inches, and then we're going to turn it around this way so that the shorter part with the score line is at the bottom and the higher one's at the top. We're going to score it 1/4 inch and 4 3/4 inches, and that's it for that. Just move that to the side. And what we're going to do here, we're going to remove this little piece here on the left side. So I'm just going to turn it this way. So I'm just going to remove that. And I'm just going to angle cut it down there as well as down here. So that's how it will look. So you've removed that, and you're going to angle cut these 2 pieces. And we're going to come along to this score line here. We're going to cut along there up to that point. So I'm just going to cut that there. And we are now going to remove this little piece all the way up to there, about the same measurement, about the same distance as this one. So about 1/4 of an inch from that score line. And just go all the way up to that part where you made a cut. So you just want these two to sort of roughly be the same width. And I'm going to angle cut that little piece and remove that, as well as this one down here. So that is now how your paper should look like. Keep this little piece for now. And let's just assemble the pocket so you know where we're at. So we're going to fold these two little side flaps. Just grab my score tool, bone folder. Just going to give that a good press. And then we're going to fold this one up. Now at this point, if you like, you can create a thumb notch here and just use a circle punch. And if you want to create a thumb notch, you can do that. So we've got that part all done. And now we're going to grab this part and we're just going to fold that back. So we'll just fold that back and then we'll glue everything together. I just wanted to show you how it will look like when you fold it. So now you'll have your front pocket here, and then when you turn it around, that's going to be your side pocket. So what we'll do, let's open this piece up and let's glue down these two side flaps so we can make your front pocket. And then we're going to turn this around and then we're going to open it up and add some glue to the top and to the bottom here. And that will now give you your back side pocket. And with this little piece here, I don't like wasting paper. You can use this and create a little tiny tag and just corner around the top corners or angle cut it and punch a hole. And you can add a little tag to coordinate with the pocket. Or what I've done was I've just placed it here to the back part here. So if you have single-sided paper, you can just use this to just sort of cover the white background bit, and then you can carry on and decorate it and then embellish it a little bit more if you like. So I'm just going to place it sort of in the center, and I just think that just finishes it off nicely. And it's a perfect little flat mail idea too if you want to send some flat mail ephemera pieces, tags, or little note cards. And then I'm just going to corner around one corner just to decorate it a little bit more. You don't have to do that. So I've just done that. And then you can add whatever you like inside. So that one's done with the back side pocket. And now we'll make the one with the front side pocket. So we'll grab another 6x6 paper. And this time I'm going to use a directional pattern in case your papers have a directional pattern, so you can still use that. So what you're going to do here, we are going to, so this one, my pattern's sort of in a directional way. I'm going to turn it around and have the pattern facing down. And when you fold the left side, just check and make sure that your pattern is facing the right way, because you want, that's going to be the front of your pocket. So then that means you're just, so I just do that and have a look. I'm going to lay it back down. I'm going to score it again the same way at 2 3/4 of an inch. So 2 3/4. Then turn it around this way, and then making sure the lower part is at the bottom and the higher one's up here. And again, scoring at 1/4 of an inch and 4 3/4 of an inch. And we'll just go ahead and do the same thing. We'll remove this piece. And this little piece here, I'm just going to angle cut that as well. So you have that, and I'll cut across here, and the same thing, and just cut about the same, about 1/4 of an inch from that score line, and then just remove. We don't need this. You can make a tag for this one to go with that if you like, because we're not going to need that for this page. Okay, so now we've got that. Again, we're going to fold this over. I might actually make a little tag with that one. I'm going to waste it. And then fold that up. And then this part here, we're going to fold that towards you, so that's going to wrap around to the front. So now it looks like this. Now with this part, we're going to glue these two down. So we've got our front pocket. And this, by giving that little flap, just that gives you that nice wide opening in there. Now with this part here that comes to the front, you can leave it like this if you're just wanting it to look like this. All you need to do is just glue down the bottom here and glue that down, and that will give you your side pocket in the front and your top pocket. Or you can just do it like I have here, just to decorate this side pocket. And all I've done here was I'm just going to just angle cut it up to that score line, however far you like to cut it down in the angle. I just think it just decorates the side pocket a bit. And then I'm going to corner around this part and then glue down this little piece here to create that side pocket. So there you have your top pocket with the side pocket. And then I'm just going to not waste this. I'm going to make this into a little tag. And then you can write a little note on the back if you want to give this to someone. So there's a cute little slim tag. You can pop that in there. You can leave it on the side here. Or you could even just place it in the front and put a paper clip, and there's your tag. So that's that all done. Let me just see. I've got a few bits and pieces here. So I made this envelope a while back, and that just so happens to fit in here perfectly, I think. So you can fit an envelope in there. This is one of my vellum pocket match booklet, which I've done a tutorial on this, and I think this is a cute little tag style match booklet, and I thought that would fit in there. See that? And I also made one of these booklets too a while back, and this is so cute. And that also fits in there on the side like that. And then there's that tag that I was just using. That can probably go in there too. You can see how much you can fit in there. And then you've got this little tag which can just sit there like that. There you go. See how nice that is? And then you can pack that and send that off at anything you like. So this is just another 6x6 little project idea for you. If you love making pockets like myself, give this a go. I'll have these listed in my shop very shortly as well if you would like to purchase my full pack of pocket with a 2-pocket insert. So I'll see you all soon in my next video, and I'll hope you enjoyed this video. Bye for now.